Ciao ragazzi, oggi risotto, I'm looking Daniele, he suggested risotto alla salsiccia al zafferano, no, risotto al zafferano con salsiccia al ragù, no.
Ricomincia.
Recap, allora, risotto al zafferano con ragù di salsiccia. Good? Yes. So ingredients: parmigiano, salsiccia, risotto, olio di oliva and zafferano. Let's start. Let's start cutting the cipolla. He likes to do that. Yes, baby. Very nice.
È tutto default è quando sei abituato a fare le cose.
So let's bring the cipolla in. Yes.
Onions.
Onions. Mixing. A little bit of olive oil as well. Yes. Salt. Pepper. I love the smell of cipolla onions here. Wow.
È una volta che dico qualcosa.
Risotto. Yes. Girare. Ragazzi, vino, wine. Che bontà. Buio. Always ready. Turn it a little bit. Yes.
Zafferano. Zafferano.
And now zafferano. Saffron. Yes. And turn it around. Girare. And again buio after saffron. Very good.
Adesso quello lì.
And yeah, correct, yes, Daniele. Always add and add until you saw the rice is done. Then add a little bit of buio, always here on the side. Bring it in, add, and let the risotto going slowly. It needs to mature. In the meantime, you can prepare the salsiccia. Take the skin away of the salsiccia, sausage. And then bring the salsiccia, the pan in. Give it power, yes, power. No, this is a mess. And then here. Not too much. Salsiccia, and I prepared here the parmigiano. Very nice. Don't forget the risotto. Always buio. Yellow color with the zafferano. Very nice. A little bit of burro. Butter, how much butter? Burro. Around 100 grams.
25-50 grammi.
25 grams.
50 grams.
50 grams. 50 grams. And yes. My mom is saying da un po' di gusto.
Parmigiano.
Now parmigiano. Everything. And now mantecare. Girare, girare, girare. Turn, 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 turn. Everything. Until it's a nice papa. I don't know how to say that in English, but the Italian will say they understand. Let's bring him to the plate. And now look at how you can do a nice plate. Shoot. Bam, 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 bam. And distributing around the plate. Now, if you like a little bit of salsiccia on the top, just bring it in. Very nice. Cool. Thank you, Daniele. Looks delicious like always. Al posto, signore e signori. And risotto al zafferano. Yes!